How does Bitcoin work on Cash App? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how does Bitcoin work on your Cash App. How can you make use of it? So first of all, just install Cash App in your smartphone and sign into your account. And once it is downloaded, just click on it and open that application in your smartphone. And after that, here on the bottom, you will see all these icons. So you just have to click on the banking icon at the bottom left. And here on this page, you will see these options about like saving Bitcoin, stocks and taxes. So you just have to click on Bitcoin, and after that just click on buy Bitcoins. And here on this page you can select the amount to which you want to buy the Bitcoin and add it to your account. So let's suppose I'm gonna buy $10 Bitcoin and just click on next. And here on this page you have to enter your details like your phone number and your banking details in order to buy Bitcoin and add it to your Cash App account. So this is how Bitcoin basically works on Cash App. You can also send transaction to another user in Bitcoins, and you can also receive your Bitcoin transaction. So there are multiple ways you can use Bitcoins on your Cash App account. So it is quite versatile. I hope you find this information to be helpful. So this is how simple it is to use Bitcoin on your Cash App. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.